Think you know how to make a grilled cheese? What if I told you that you've been using the wrong ingredient on the outside this whole time? Ditch the butter. I'm about to show you the one simple secret to the crispiest, golden, most perfect grilled cheese of your life. The secret's mayonnaise. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, mayo is just eggs and oil, so it has a higher smoke point than butter, meaning it won't burn as easily. It creates a perfectly even, golden, crispy crust every single time. Trust me, mayo gives you the crust you didn't know you were missing. The method is ridiculously simple. Take your favorite bread and spread a thin, even layer of mayonnaise on the outside of each slice, edge to edge. Don't be shy. Then build your sandwich with your favorite cheese on the inside. A good amount of cheese is essential. Go generous. Edge to edge mayo, cheese inside. That's it. Simple but game-changing. Use any bread, any cheese. It works every time. Now cook it in a non-stick pan over a medium-low heat. Low and slow is key to melting the cheese perfectly without burning the outside. Cook for a few minutes per side until it's deeply golden brown and the cheese is gloriously melty. Flip carefully. Look for that rich, even color. If the outside is golden and the middle soft, you nailed it. Pat gently to help the cheese meet the heat. See how even that crust is? That's mayo doing its magic. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the perfect crust, the perfectly melted cheese. This is grilled cheese perfection. Once you try the mayo hack, you will never go back to butter for your grilled cheese again. Go on, change your life. If this hack just blew your mind, smash that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more secret tips. What's your ultimate cheese combination for a grilled cheese?